In 2018, we were proud to demonstrate our mission, vision, and values through our unwavering commitment to our community. Our mission serves as our foundation for sharing success and creating opportunities. At Desert Financial, relationships drive success. We share our financial success because we believe it's the right thing to do for our members, our community, and our team. Through our commitment to giving back, we partner with local organizations that provide effective and innovative services for people in our community. We focus on providing grant support and financial sponsorships for organizations committed to education, children's services and youth development, and community and neighborhood improvement. Last year, we awarded more than $500,000 in grants and sponsorships to support needs throughout our community. The organizations we support establish committed and long-term partnerships with Desert Financial. Many work with us to provide financial wellness classes and programs for their clients. Plus, they also connect with our team through volunteer and education opportunities. In addition to our community grants and sponsorships, Desert Financial partners with Children's Miracle Network hospitals to support Phoenix Children's Hospital. We donate and raise money to support the One Darn Cool School, which allows children to attend classes while receiving treatment at PCH.
Desert Financial has been a supporter of the One Darn Cool School since the early 90s. We can't even explain the magnitude of the support. We wouldn't have the school if it wasn't for Desert Financial Credit Union really underwriting the entire program. Most recently, Desert Financial made a $2 million pledge to Phoenix Children's Hospital's One Darn Cool School. It's a 3-year commitment, and it is the most exciting thing to happen. It's what we call a transformational gift. It was just the coolest experience, to hear the support. We know that Desert Financial is committed, but then to have it said like that is just mind-blowing.
We also coordinate several fundraising events each year, including a major golf tournament supported by our generous community partners. Together, we've donated and raised more than $6 million to CMNH, including more than $600,000 this past year. By aligning our community partners with our mission, we share success and work together to make an impact in our community. Our passion is creating exceptional experiences through financial solutions that make lives better. Our commitment to helping people find the right financial solutions starts with education. We continue to grow and expand our efforts to provide financial education programs in order to help others achieve their goals. As part of our financial wellness efforts, we offer workshops on increasing savings, building credit, and budgeting to our team members, Valley students, and people working with local nonprofits.
Desert Financial has been a partner with us probably for the last 8 years. Ms. Suley was part of that partnership. She came in to assist our clients who need assistance with financial wellness. The reports that we get back from our clients is that they came out of the classes knowing something more about themselves, and that for as desperate or dark as their situations might seem right then, they come out with tools on how to build finances in the future, and I believe that that's because of Desert Financial.
Our commitment to continuous learning also drives us to recognize and reward students who give back to our community. For the past 14 years, we've awarded scholarships to high school seniors who volunteer in their community and help make lives better. Our Community Service Scholarship Program provides awards of $2,500 to $10,000 to be used toward in-state college expenses. Through our Desert Financial Foundation, we've started to expand our efforts for financial wellness programs and student scholarships. We've also been able to create innovative programs to help our staff and increase our outreach and impact in the community. Our foundation allows us to support programs that protect the most vulnerable in our community. Some of these include healthcare planning and education for seniors, services to support grandparents raising their grandchildren, lending and financial coaching programs for new Americans, business classes and support for low-income entrepreneurs, coaching, training, and employment services for people struggling with homelessness, volunteer-based tax preparation services for low-income Arizonans, inclusion and anti-bullying programs for students, art therapy for abused children, effective youth mentoring programs, and job training programs for at-risk youth. Our vision allows us to continue to strive to make lives better in our community. Desert Financial team members focus on 5 core values that define our commitment to our members, our community, and each other. Our core values are personal drive, big thinking, team mindset, people smarts, and passion to help. These values represent the best we have to offer as individuals, emphasizing initiative, innovation, teamwork, and interpersonal skills. But it's our passion to help core value that drives our community commitment and propels us to give our time, money, and heart to help others. Through our volunteer programs, our team members volunteered thousands of hours and participated in approximately 200 team projects to support Arizona nonprofits. Every volunteer helped to provide valuable services in our community. In addition to our team's volunteer service, their incredible generosity shows their commitment to sharing success. Through our Valley of the Sun United Way Workplace campaign, our team members contributed more than $300,000 to help break the cycle of poverty for Arizona families. These funds support programs to end hunger and homelessness, ensure early childhood literacy, and strengthen financial stability.
In order to create systemic change in our community, we need all hands on deck. We need corporate partners, we need nonprofits, we need schools, we need community individuals to get involved in the fight against poverty. And Desert Financial has proven to do that year after year after year. And so what I think is the vastly most important thing that Desert Financial has offered is the culture that they provide of philanthropy for our community. And I think that's shown, whether it's volunteers coming to a Weekend Hunger Backpack, whether it's dollars being invested in financial coaching. Desert Financial is an important thread for philanthropy here in Maricopa County. And I don't think we could do the work that we do without passionate and compassionate organizations like Desert Financial. So to everyone at Desert Financial, thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Our team also stepped up to help children in our community through 3 different donation drives. Our summer book drive helped Valley students from low-income communities improve their reading skills through an interactive summer literacy program. Our team members purchased, donated, and collected more than 1,200 books so that students could have books to read at home during the summer months. Through our annual school supply drive, we helped more than 30 schools with donations for students in need. Each of our branches worked with a Title I school in their neighborhood to coordinate a delivery of donated supplies. Our members also contributed by purchasing supplies and donating funds that were used to buy additional items. Our back office teams worked together to buy supplies for more than 250 children at the Pat Tillman Middle School in Phoenix. Altogether, more than 700 students received new backpacks filled with supplies. Plus, we helped more than 100 teachers with much-needed classroom supplies. In 2018, our team worked together to collect toys to benefit Arizona Helping Hands, an organization that helps to provide needed essentials for the nearly 15,000 children in foster care. We collected more than 800 gifts for foster children throughout Arizona. The gifts are provided to children during the holidays, as well as for birthdays, graduations, and other special occasions. We're incredibly proud of our generous team members for volunteering and giving and showing their passion to help. Although our community commitment is an ongoing part of our culture, 2018 was a special year because we celebrated our new name with Desert Financial's Year of Giving. In 2018, we invested $7 million in improving our community, in giving back to our members, and in offering you chances to win exceptional experiences. To reward educators for their hard work, we pledge to donate a portion of every Desert Financial debit card transaction that our members made in January to local teachers. With about 6 million transactions, our total donation was $120,000, enough to provide instructors in nearly 50 schools with a special celebratory lunch and school supplies. We also supported the Fiesta Bowl Charities Wishes for Teachers program by providing $15,000 in grants to 3 Arizona educators so they can improve their classrooms, and we presented $250 gift cards to 5 deserving teachers nominated on our social media during Teacher Appreciation Week in May. Throughout our year of giving, we surprised strangers with random acts of kindness, including providing life skills classes for kids in need, paying to fix a member's air conditioning, and donating $15,000 to a child's heart surgery fund. As part of our Random Acts of Kindness campaign, we started a kindness revolution to encourage others to join us in brightening someone else's day. At the 2018 Better Business Bureau Torch Awards, we surprised 378 guests with gift cards that they could use to perform a kind act, while another 37 guests were randomly selected to receive $500 to donate to a charity of their choice. Our passion to help doesn't end with our year of giving. Our kindness revolution has gained momentum, and we plan on spreading even more kindness in 2019. Looking ahead, we will continue to give back by strengthening our community connections, rewarding our members, renewing our pledge to education, and by providing more exceptional experiences. In 2018, we were proud to reflect our mission, vision, and values in all of our community support and outreach. By sharing success, we grow stronger. By sharing success, we grow together.